This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the 2016 LD Micro Invitational in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Lien from Solis Tek. It's a publicly traded company. The ticker symbol is SLTK. Alan, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me again, Robert.
It's great to have you on the program. So for our audience that may not know the story yet, let's get a company overview, and then we'll go from there.
Well, Solis Tek was established in 2010. We sell indoor grow lights in the horticultural industry.
So we last had you on, I think, about 2 years ago. Yes. So some things must have happened. Let's talk. Give us an update.
Well, besides expanding our territory, currently we're selling to around 800 retailers currently, and we're slowly transitioning from with the legal landscape of cannabis, which we're mostly focused on now. We're looking at larger scale cultivation facilities that are coming online, that we're working either through our current customers in the retail side, or we're working directly with, and whether it's providing lights or consulting in general grow methods and etc.
So let's talk about your lights a little bit. What about your lights is different than maybe some of your competition out there?
Well, for one, we manufacture, design, and distribute all our own lighting equipment. So we do not private label from anybody else. We have our own proprietary designs as well as functions and features that separate us from everybody else.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about the history of the company. How did you get into this and start this business?
Well, we started in 2009. Alvin Howe, my co-founder, he came to me one day and said that, hey, this industry is potentially pretty much wide open in regards to lights. And with my extensive manufacturing background and sourcing background, I was able to source a good quality factory to help us manufacture and produce the lights that we do sell today. And with the ideas from Alvin and I, we were able to instill different features that we're able to add into the lighting equipment that we currently offer to differentiate ourselves with everybody else competing with us at the time.
Gotcha. So tell me a little bit about your customer base. Who are you serving?
Currently, our customers are serving we currently serve around 800 retailers, hydroponic shops across the nation. As this legal landscape grows through, right now there's 23 legal states currently, including 3 recreational states, Colorado, Washington, and Oregon. We're seeing more and more large cultivation facilities come online. And as these large cultivation facilities come online, there's a lot of them are reaching directly out to us to see whether we can work directly with them or work through our current customers to help them, light up their rooms.
So you're now a public company?
Yes.
As we said, last time we talked, you were private. Now you're public. Just came out with your Q1 2016 financials. Tell me, what are some of the highlights?
Well, we completed a reverse merger back in 2015 in June, and it will be our 1-year anniversary at the end of this month. We just finished our first quarter, the strongest first quarter that we've had in company history. Finished about a little shade under $2.6 million in revenue, and we're profitable.
Okay, so what I want to know is the growth drivers. What's driving the growth in your business?
Again, as the legality spreads throughout the country, more and more people are coming in and wanting to get into the cultivation of cannabis. So we we provide the picks and axes to the industry, and everybody new coming in will need our services and our products.
How do you market it?
Currently, it's mostly by word of mouth, but we do a lot of print ads. We do a lot of online marketing, but mostly word of mouth.
And are you global, or is it just domestic?
I would say we're on 3 different continents right now. We're Australia. We're in probably around 15 countries in the EU, with our main distributor working out of the UK. We have a distributor in Canada, and we self-distribute all throughout the US.
Okay, so Alan, moving ahead, from what you can tell me, what are some of the goals and milestones for the company?
Well, obviously, the obvious answer is to continue to grow the company at the rate that we are growing right now. We are averaging growing our company year after year between 25 to 30% in growth. Everybody likes to see that continue, and to achieve that, other than selling more lights, we are looking to develop a extensive line of nutrient products to help supplement our lighting sales. So right now, when people are starting up a grow facility or a grow room, I would say probably around 25 to 30% of their starting capital goes to purchasing lights. And during the course of the cultivation process, I guess you would say, they're probably spending another 20 to 30% of their money on maintaining the garden, such as feeding the plants, daily fertilizers, boosters, etc.
So where can our audience go and find more information about the company?
Well, you can Google our stock ticker symbol, SLTK, or visit our website at www.solis-tek.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the 2016 LD Micro Invitational in Bel Air, California. With me again has been Alan Lien from Solis Tek, publicly traded company, SLTK. Alan, thank you so much.
Thank you.